Welcome, my fellow time travelers, to the wackiest workout this side of the space-time continuum. Get ready to sweat, smile, and defy gravity. Squats. It's time to drop it like it's hot, and then pick it back up again. Squats aren't just for sculpting those glutes, they're for reminding gravity who's boss. Get low, get funky, and let's squat till we drop. Do you already do any body strengthening exercises focusing on anti-aging? Comment down below what results you've been seeing. Let's strengthen our community. Do you enjoy exercise tips and workouts focused on anti-aging or overall health? Follow our channel and turn on notifications. Here you'll find a little bit of everything to improve your health day by day. Plank. Prepare to plank like a pro and hold on for dear life. It's like a game of how long can you hold this awkward position with yourself. Just remember to breathe and try not to collapse in a fit of giggles. Lunges. Time to lunge into action and unleash your inner ninja. Step forward, step back, and pretend you're dodging imaginary spy movie-sized blades. It's a workout and a stealth mission rolled into one. Push-ups. Drop and give me 20, or maybe just one if you're feeling ambitious. Push-ups aren't just about building muscle. They're about proving that you're strong enough to push the earth away. Go ahead, show gravity who's boss. Glute bridges. And now, it's time to bridge the gap between gravity and glorious glutes. Lift those hips to the sky and defy the laws of physics with each booty-boosting bridge. It's like giving gravity a playful little poke in the eye. Follow us here on this channel for more videos like this one. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. It's the reward for leaving you with your butt in the sky. And remember, starting today, we're not responsible if your pants get tight and ripped because of your massive thighs. We recommend using the same fabric as the Hulk. See you later. With us, you'll find your path to a better life.